Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on console, easy method. Start by connecting your controller and ensuring the console recognizes input, then open the game and choose practice mode to learn timing and obstacles. Use the pause and retry features to break levels into short segments and map jump and dash to comfortable buttons. Gradually increase speed, save checkpoints when possible, and practice daily for consistent improvement. Practice makes progress on console, so focus on control mapping and timing. Start each session with a quick calibration. Test jump, dash, and pause to confirm responsiveness. Use short practice runs on tricky sections and reduce speed perception by counting beats or using a metronome app. Record your attempts to spot patterns and mistakes, then refine button placement and timing until the level becomes predictable and manageable for steady wins. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. On another note, the device you see makes practice sessions comfier. Consider the Kindle Paperwhite for reading guides or referencing tips between runs. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one, and if it helps your workflow, pick it up. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Focus strategies on obstacle recognition and rhythm to clear levels consistently. Memorize key jump points and anticipate hazards by watching enemy patterns or spikes ahead of time. Use practice checkpoints to master difficult sequences and slow down mentally by counting beats or visual markers. When stuck, change button mapping or stance and return with a fresh mindset, because small adjustments often unlock major improvements in speed and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.